You know, when I first got the Cobra, there were four main things I really wanted to do. An engine swap, new exhaust, making it polished aluminum, and getting tire lettering on the car. We did the exhaust, we did the polished aluminum, and today we're going to be doing the third out of the four thing that I really wanted to do, which is the tire lettering. Let's go ahead to Home Depot, pick up what we need to get in order to make this come to life. You guys do not understand how much I appreciate the shadow of my microphone blocking the sun while I make this video. I do have my sunglasses just in case I have to poke out here. It is just so bright, especially with this aluminum wrap. It is crazy. But today we are doing tire lettering on the AC Cobra to make it more of a race car. So there's two sides, two phrases that we're gonna do. One on the top, one on the bottom. And the first one is gonna be Shelby Racing. This is gonna be either or, it doesn't really matter if we go top and bottom because the tire is gonna rotate. But Shelby Racing is the first tire stencil that will be equipping on the tires to, you know, just carry the tradition. This is a Shelby, it was a race car back in the day, and Shelby Racing, why not? I thought would be pretty cool. So that's gonna be the very top one. I'm not entirely sure which angle you guys can see a little bit better, but Shelby Racing will be one of them. And what will be on the complete opposite side is gonna be USA 1965, which is what Shelby represented, as well as the year back when they broke the speed record for the fastest car in the world, as well as won in Le Mans. So USA supporting country, even though this is a car from the UK with an American motor, we're gonna be representing the United States of America back in 1965, which honestly should be 4 years in a row when Shelby won that back-to-back racing. So that is what we went with. I'm super excited to see how it's gonna be. So now that we have the tire stencils, let's just go over the game plan, how we're gonna get this installed, and what else I got at Home Depot to make this thing come to life. Before we get started, let's do just a 360 of how it looks like without the tire stickers. I'm also contemplating like doing tire stickers on one end and then no tire stickers on the other, just so that we could get like the best of both worlds. That's what some people have done. I'm gonna do the first two tires, see how it looks like, maybe compare on contrast what it is thereafter. But this is a full 360 of how the car looks like without tire stickers, just to give you guys a pretty good idea of where we're at currently before we get started. But let's clean those tires off. So we got the Cobra in the garage here. I moved it from outside to inside just because of the wind. So now let's go ahead and prep once more. Do just one coat. I think one coat will be good. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I think I got this a whole lot better the second time. So basically I had this line that you guys see right here line up to the bottom of this. So it's kind of like a guide of where I can set this, as well as I put a lot more tape to make sure I'm grasping the tire more than just having it floppy. So I think we struck gold with this setup here. I can definitely tell you the most tedious is taping all of this. I really hope I can just peel this back and put it back on the tire. I don't know how strong this painter tape is gonna be. However, I think we're good. So let's go ahead and just put in the first layer of paint. And I really only think if we have one good solid layer of paint, we should be good to go. However, let's just hope for the best. Now that doesn't look too bad. We do have some little overspray on some of the letters. What I think I'm gonna do is take a Q-tip with some acetone and try really carefully to clean up those in-betweens. But this went pretty good. Just finished the tire lettering. Let's go ahead and get a nice cold start, roll her out, do a full 360, and maybe some rollers. I really want to see how these things are going to be looking like out and rolling, but that thing looks so good. I cannot wait to see how it looks like overall, because it's like so jam-packed, you can't really see that much stuff. But let's go ahead and fire her up. And here are the final results. I can't tell you how proud I am with this work. I didn't know it was gonna come out this well. And boys, this is what I was looking for when I wanted tire stickers or tire lettering on here. This just completes the race car look to the fullest. What do you guys think? Comment down below. But this thing with the chrome just puts the cherry on the top. I am in love. Let's do a full 360 here. He's looking sweet all around here. Very easy, not too shabby. It's really just prepping. Once when you prep, spray painting takes less than 30 seconds or so. But overall, very nice with this results here. I love the Shelby look here, especially with the chrome. I really like how we went with the Shelby Racing USA 1965 as well. Instead of Mickey Thompson, I wouldn't have gone with the Mickey Thompson, to be completely honest. I'm not entirely sure. Mickey Thompson is just too new. They didn't have Mickey Thompsons back in the day that I know of, or at least raced with. So I think what we went with the USA 1965 Shelby Racing was the way to go. But the wrap itself is also coming very handy here. Very good quality. It's been about 3 weeks or a month around that I've been having this wrap, and I've been loving it. Taking it out is just so much fun, especially when you go down to like PCH or the beach. It gets lots of attention. Lots of people love to see this thing. Now that we have that, give you guys a full 360 of it, I want to show you how it is driving, rolling out on the streets. Let's just go ahead and fast forward, get some nice clips, and go from there. And that is all we have today, ladies and gents. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe down below. Comment what you want to see on the AC Cobra next. This thing is pretty sweet, I'm not gonna lie. But all content, just comment down below what should we do here with the good old AC Cobra. But besides that, make sure to grab some merch down below. I really appreciate if you guys go ahead and grab some of that. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. We have some coyote swap as well as Corvette mods we're gonna do with AC Cobra. So I'll see you guys on the next one.